Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on location services so the iPhone can use GPS. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security and flip Location Services on. This gives apps permission to read satellite fixes. Once done, review each app's permission and choose Allow while using App or Always for navigation needs, because that determines when the GPS runs. Also enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. They don't replace GPS, but help the phone triangulate faster and improve accuracy, especially in Now open your chosen Maps app and tap the location arrow to center on you. That prompts the device to acquire a satellite fix. Wait 5 to 30 seconds. The blue dot and shrinking accuracy circle show progress, because the phone first uses cell/Wi-Fi and then refines with GPS. Make sure compass calibration is allowed so direction is correct. Set map orientation to heading for walking or north up for familiar reference. If you're driving, enable turn-by-turn voice guidance to keep hands-free. Begin navigation by entering your destination, choose a route, and tap Start to get live turn-by-turn directions. This keeps GPS active and recalculates when you deviate. Save frequent places by dropping a pin and add to favorites or create a guide for multi-stop trips, because saved places speed future routing. If the GPS seems off, toggle airplane mode briefly, restart the phone, update iOS, or reset location and privacy in settings. These steps clear software glitches and often restore accurate satellite fixes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.